coming from the third. Let me retry that. The third full ping. Aloha beautiful, Jennelle here, coming from the third full day here at the Woodstock Fruit Festival 2017. Today has been filled with lots of fun and exciting new things. Let's see. I woke up today and actually kind of just had a really chill morning where I ended up starting to create and make the video of me breaking my 108-day master fast and putting new touches on that because I changed my name from Empower Motion to Jennelle Lemoyne. And after that, I ended up going to my beautiful friend Tracy's dance class, and we are learning and performing a epic dance in the talent show, and it's a hip-hop based dance. It's so much fun. I just had a blast because dancing is everything, and Tracy is such a beautiful soul, and I just had so much fun with her and other friends in the class. And then I just went after that to my friend Evan, had a beautiful workshop on, I just wanted to go to it because I really love hearing others' views and others' experiences with anxiety. It's just it's been a very prominent, I guess, feeling in my life in the past, of course, because of how I am such an empathic person. I pretty much pick up on anyone around me that is feeling anxious or feeling, I guess you could say, like just feeling the tension. I can actually physically feel that. So my whole life I kind of had taken on others' anxiety, and just to hear other stories and others' viewpoints, and of course Evan's thoughts on anxiety in general, was so beautiful to hear and witness. And now it is dinner time, so I'm gonna head down to see what the beautiful sauces are for the day. Ooh, I think I remember Ashley saying it's like chili night, so I can't wait to see what that tastes like. And I'll be letting you in on all of the beautiful views of the dining commons this evening. I feel like I've only been like kind of showing snippets of dinner time because that's when I kind of am stopping running around and doing all these amazing beautiful things in the day, but just to give you a taste of what is here at Woodstock and the beautiful lectures and opportunities that there are to learn and grow and experience and communicate and make the most incredible friends. This place is just a mecca for meeting people that have a same mindset regarding health and wellness and fitness and spirituality, and just like you're like living in a community for a full week with people that have so much in common with you. It's so special. Truly, this place has changed my life. So I'm so excited to bring you these videos and that I have started to vlog to share. So I will catch you all down at the dinner time when I will show you all the beautiful fixins and salad things. And I hope you're all having a beautiful day. I'll see you at dinner time. Arugula, mixed greens, cucumber chunks, lots and lots of zoodles, kale, celery, carrots, jicama, tomatoes, mushrooms, avocado. Look at these beautiful dragon fruits, everyone. They're so vibrant. Oh my gosh. Avocados from Florida, they're massive. That's just a fourth of one. Let me put my hand here for comparison. Do you see how big that is? The beast. Lettuce on lettuce on lettuce. Spicy tomato chili. They have a delicious ranch. And then they have a tomato tango. I got this one because it is it's tomato, mango, lime, and basil, and cilantro. I'm so excited to have that sauce. These, Sam, what are these? Puats?
I thought they were plums.
They're plums? Okay. My friend Sam up in that kitchen doing his thing. This is also called pitaya. And if you ever get dragon fruit bowls, like at an acai bowl place, and they have the dragon fruit is pink, this is the actual dragon fruit that you're getting the color from. And they have more Martha's Best papayas. Best strawberry papayas ever. Lots of cilantro, dill, jalapenos, onion, parsley, more dill, lemon, and of course we got the cayenne, cumin, ginger, cinnamon. There's zucchini noodles underneath the cucumbers.
Having trouble.
Tomatoes, fresh dill,
Oh, you found it!
pitaya, dragon fruit, Ashley's salad bowl.
Chris knew where it was.
My girl Ashley
Hi.
and Jenna eating those. How are those Jamaican papayas? Incredible.
I just want to eat these forever. All day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Forever. They are that good, people.
So good.
Look at Jenna's bowl tonight. And we have this beautiful view in front of us of Trout Lake. The color is just so, like, do you see how fuchsia pink this is? It's going into my cells. It's so good, you guys. Get some pitaya if you've never had it before. Get some fuchsia pink nutrition into your body.
Roots are planted, young roots from a strong tree.
I added way more dill to my salad. Like, I don't know what's happening. A giant handful of dill.
In the bishop will grow together, sweetest fruits. Every seed planted starts with young roots. In the bishop will grow together, sweetest fruits. Every seed planted starts with young
Herbs are
roots.
so good.
In the bishop will grow together, sweetest
Universal magnetic. Bring it all together so the letters are connected, yeah. All